The company behind Balancer is shutting down, but the protocol is still alive on chain. Balancer has been around since the early days of DeFi. It introduced flexible liquidity pools instead of fixed weight pools. So the question is, who's actually still using it today? And that's exactly what cohort analysis helps us understand: who came in and who stayed. Let's start with the simplest question: who is using Balancer month by month? We'll use Balancer trades on Ethereum. Instead of counting every swap, we simplify it. We just want to know one thing: was the wallet active in a given month or not? So we start by building a dataset of monthly active users. And the most important field here is taker. The taker represents the wallet interacting with the trade. We use distinct because we only care whether the wallet was active, not how many swaps it made. One interaction is enough. We also use date trunk because retention analysis is usually done daily, weekly, or monthly. Monthly analysis is easier to visualize and understand. We wrap everything inside a CTE to keep the query clean and reusable. And for now we limit the output to 10 rows just to keep the query fast while exploring the data. Now we have a clean monthly activity dataset. We'll comment this part out for now and continue building. Every wallet has a first appearance, a moment where it enters the system. So now we calculate the first time we ever saw each wallet interacting with Balancer. This query looks very similar to the previous one. We partially reuse the same logic, but this time we remove distinct, because now we actually want the earliest activity. And this is where mean becomes important. It finds the first month we ever saw each wallet. That becomes first trade month. Every wallet now has a starting point, a birth month. It's cohort. And this is where cohort analysis really begins, because now we're no longer just looking at activity, we're looking at origins. In the final query, we combine both tables using left join on the wallet address, while also giving them aliases M and U. The month the wallet was active with, the month it first appeared. Then we check one simple condition. If the active month matches the user's first trade month, we classify that wallet as a new user. Otherwise, it becomes a returning user. And finally, we count the number of unique wallets in each category for every month. And suddenly we can separate hype from actual retention. Now we can visualize the results. A simple stacked bar chart can immediately show how many users are new, how many users are returning, and whether retention is improving over time. Looking at this chart, at least in my opinion, Balancer still looks pretty alive on chain. People are still using the protocol every month, and new users continue to show up over time. But the growth clearly comes in cycles. You can see big waves of new users during hype periods, followed by slower cooldown phases afterward. Even after the hype fades, there's still a smaller group of users that keeps coming back. So overall, Balancer seems to grow in cycles. Big waves of attention, followed by a more loyal core user base that stays active over time. The protocol is still active, but most of the activity appears around major market events, rather than through steady growth. So in the next video, we'll move from the protocol layer to the user layer. We'll start analyzing wallet behavior and segmentation, and understand what users are actually doing inside these systems. See you guys!